welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about Y21. It is a creamy yellow, but I combined it in the bonus combination with a YG00. So that's going to give you a pop of color with a hint of green. The family combination though, that we're also doing something different there because it's Y21. So it's not like we have lower numbers than that. So we have Y00. So you can see how they match very well. Y21 would be one that I use at the end of my combinations, the darkest, the medium, and the lightest. But we have a lot of ones and we have a lot of zeros. We're gonna start tackling those. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic refills, Copic nibs, the sketch markers, and now we also have the swatch cards. We also have Prismacolor pencils open stock. Thank you. We're going to start with Y21. The next one is going to be Y00. I think it does, because of so much colorless blender that these markers have, the Y00 and the Y000, it does give you like a little green shade, but not as much as the YGs. And it could be just like diluted yellow. This is BV00. That's what I'm using to underpaint Y21. It looks muddy, but that is what we want. When we underpaint, we want to desaturate the color. We don't want to make it brighter. We don't want to make it darker. We want to desaturate it. And then I use Y21, Y00, and Y000. I'm getting used to this new camera. Not the camera is the same. But the new lights and all that. And everything keeps moving. Sorry. That was Y21 on top of BV00. And then YG21. And then YG00. You can see on this side, you get a little bit more of the green shade. Now this is the Prismacolor Pencil match, and this is the best I found. I really, really like this one. So Jasmine, I have never considered Jasmine a yellow color. I always consider it a cream kind of color, but when you use it with Y21, it's just perfect. You can go over and over on top of it, and you can get the saturation that you want. Surprisingly, the colorless blender, while it did dilute the Y21, it did not completely erase it. I thought that it would, but it didn't. Now we're going to color the butterfly. We're starting with Y21. This is not underpainted. And then is Y00. It's going to be very easy to blend these colors because of how close they are to each other, the numbers, and because of the color. And this is Y000. It is very easy to go over with Y000 like a few times because you don't see it very well. But if you do, then you're going to take away the little color intensity that Y21 is giving you. This is underpainted. BV00, we started the corners, and then we went with Y21, medium speed, Y00, and this is going to be Y000. Now we're going to go for the bonus combination. This is Y21. We're flicking away from the edge. Notice the speed. It's very easy to forget about the speed. This is YG21, and that's where you see the big difference between the natural family combination and the bonus combination. You can see the green in this one. Even though if you see it just by itself, without comparing to the Y00 and Y000, you probably won't see it. This is underpainting. BV00, Y21, YG21, and YG00. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so every time that we upload, which is usually every Friday, you will get a notification so you can come and look at the video. So today's all about is about Y21. The natural family combination is Y21, Y00, Y000, underpainting with BV00, and the bonus combination is Y21, YG21, and YG00. Thank you. See you next week.